Ready to discover some Amazon finds you'll actually want in your kitchen? From coffee makers and air fryers to pizza ovens and clever cooking gadgets, these picks are designed to make everyday cooking easier. Product links are in the description, so let's get started. Number 1 is the Pods and Grounds Coffee Maker, a versatile option for coffee lovers who like having choices. It lets you brew with both coffee pods and ground coffee, giving you the flexibility to enjoy different blends and flavors. Its convenient design makes it great for your morning coffee or a quick cup throughout the day. It's a practical upgrade for anyone who wants more brewing options in one machine. Number 2 is the DoubleStack XL Air Fryer, a great option when you want more cooking space without taking up a huge footprint. Its stacked design gives you multiple cooking levels, making it easier to prepare different foods at the same time. It's perfect for fries, chicken, vegetables, and other everyday meals. A convenient upgrade for busy kitchens and families who want to cook more in one go. Number 3 is the FrostVault Backpack Cooler, a convenient way to keep your food and drinks chilled while you're on the go. Its backpack-style design makes it easy to carry, while the insulated construction helps maintain a cold temperature for longer. It's great for road trips, beach days, hiking, camping, or outdoor gatherings. A practical choice when you want hands-free carrying with plenty of cooling space. Number 4 is the Ninja NeverClog Juicer, designed to make fresh juice without the hassle of frequent clogging. Its powerful design helps handle a variety of fruits and vegetables, while the convenient setup makes juicing easier at home. From fresh orange juice to green juices and fruit blends, it's a great option for making homemade drinks. A practical pick for anyone who wants fresh juice with less cleanup and interruption. Number 5 is the Sizzle Pro XL 20-inch Indoor Griddle, a spacious option for cooking multiple foods at once. Its large cooking surface gives you plenty of room for pancakes, burgers, eggs, bacon, and more. The indoor design lets you enjoy griddle-style cooking without needing an outdoor setup. It's a great choice for family breakfasts, cookouts at home, or everyday meals. Number 6 is the Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven Sizzle, a great option for bringing pizzeria-style cooking to your backyard. Its outdoor design is made for high-heat cooking, helping you make fresh pizzas with a crispy crust and melted toppings. You can also use it for other outdoor recipes, making it a versatile addition to your patio setup. It's a fun upgrade for anyone who loves homemade pizza and outdoor cooking. Number 7 is the Astercook Nonstick Pots and Pans Set, a versatile cookware set for everyday meals. Its non-stick cooking surface helps food release more easily and makes cleanup simpler. With multiple pots and pans in one set, you can handle everything from sautéing and frying to simmering and boiling. It's a practical kitchen upgrade for anyone looking to refresh their cookware collection. Number 8 is the Ninja Precision Kettle, a smart upgrade for anyone who enjoys tea or coffee. Its precise temperature control lets you heat water to the right temperature for different drinks, while the sleek design looks great on the countertop. It's perfect for tea, pour-over coffee, hot chocolate, and other hot beverages. A convenient way to get more control over your everyday hot water routine. Number 9 is the Ninja CREAMi, a fun and versatile appliance that lets you make homemade ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, and other frozen treats right in your kitchen. It's a great way to customize your favorite flavors and create delicious desserts whenever you want. If you love homemade frozen treats, this is definitely an exciting Amazon kitchen find. Number 10 is the Subry Chefy Countertop Blender Pro, a powerful kitchen blender designed for smoothies, sauces, soups, shakes, and more. It's a versatile addition to your countertop and makes it easy to blend ingredients for everyday meals and drinks. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one blender for your kitchen, this Amazon find is worth checking out. Number 11 is the Mustorn Pots and Pans Organizer, a smart way to keep your cookware neat and easy to access. Its organized design helps separate your pots, pans, and lids, making it easier to find what you need without digging through your cabinets. It's a great space-saving solution for keeping your kitchen clean and organized. Number 12 is the Upesitom Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer, a smart storage solution for making the most of your cabinet space. The pull-out design makes it easier to reach items stored in the back, so you don't have to dig through crowded cabinets. It's perfect for organizing kitchen essentials while keeping everything neat and easy to access. Number 13 is the Linfidite 4-pack Kitchen Plate Holder, a simple way to keep your plates neatly organized and easy to grab. The compact design helps maximize cabinet space while keeping plates separated and secure. It's a practical storage solution for creating a cleaner, more organized kitchen without taking up extra room. Number 14 is the SYKIARIOL Rolling Storage Utility Cart, a versatile storage solution that makes it easy to organize and move your kitchen essentials. Its rolling design lets you move it wherever you need, while the multiple levels provide extra space for supplies, snacks, cleaning items, and more. It's a practical way to add storage without taking up too much floor space. Check link in the description below. Number 15 is the Snuvid Glass Pitcher with lid, a stylish way to keep your favorite drinks fresh and ready to serve. It's perfect for iced tea, lemonade, infused water, juice, and more. The sleek glass design looks great on your kitchen counter or dining table, making it perfect for everyday use or entertaining. It's one of those simple kitchen finds that you'll actually use all the time. If you're enjoying these Amazon finds, hit like and subscribe for more.